Hi there, for today's video we will be reviewing realistic fiction and author's purpose. So, realistic fiction. Realistic fiction is stories that are made up but could happen in real life. So it seems real, okay? So characters, people act and talk like real people. They act and behave like real people, okay? So animals act like pets or other real animals. You're not going to see talking dogs or dogs standing up on their back legs wearing a little coat and tie. No, they're going to behave like a real dog would. The setting. The setting is a place that could be real in today's world. For example, a beach, a school, the movies, the mall. Those are all real places. Then the events that happen in the story, from beginning, middle, end, the events could really happen. They seem real. For example, a soccer game or a birthday party. Characters have problems that real people might have. Maybe someone lost their favorite pencil, or they are all out of water, or they accidentally tripped over untied shoelaces. Those are real problems that people could actually have. Then the problems get resolved in real ways, not by magic, but by tying your shoes, by filling up your water bottle, by finding your pen or getting a new pen, okay? All right, so that's realistic fiction. Remember, realistic. It seems real. It could actually happen. It's not real, but it could be real. It could actually happen to someone. All right, author's purpose. We've gone over this several times before, so just a little quick review. Authors write for a reason. Every book you have, there's a reason why the author wrote it, whether it's to persuade you, inform you, or entertain you. They picked one of these. To persuade you, the author tries to persuade readers to agree or to do something. So they're trying to convince you of something. But to buy something, to do something, to believe what they're saying, okay? Inform. The author gives facts and information about a topic. So like the story we read earlier, Super Shadows, the author is trying to give you real information, which was over what? Shadows. The author wanted you to learn something, give you real facts about a topic. And then entertain. The author writes for readers to enjoy the story, okay? So P for persuade, the author is trying to get you to do, try, or believe something. I for inform, the author is trying to teach you something, give you real information, facts. And then entertain. The author is just hoping you'll enjoy the story, okay? But how can you figure out the author's purpose? We'll look for clues about the genre. So if it's realistic fiction, it might just be to entertain you. If it's nonfiction or informational, it might be to persuade you or inform you. And then ask questions about what you read and find out the answers. So I hope you enjoyed today's little review of realistic fiction and author's purpose.